Go left! Go left! I've got this! Almost there! Just a few more seconds!
Tyler, dinner is ready. Come on down.
I saved you the seat next to me.
Tyler, did you hear me?
5 more minutes! I'm almost done! Sorry guys, just my mom. This is becoming a pattern lately.
I know. I'm not sure how to reach him anymore.
I miss when he used to eat with us. Together. Listen. Time. Together. Listen. Time. Those are the things I miss most.
Grandpa Joe is coming to visit this weekend.
Really? I haven't seen him in so long. He's only staying for 2 days, so let's make it special.
Cool.
That's nice.
No way! The championship is this Saturday! I have to be there. This is huge! Grandpa's visit and the tournament are the same day. Maybe I can do both somehow. I'll figure it out. It'll be fine.
Want to play this with me, Tyler?
Maybe later, Ivy. I'm kind of busy.
You're always kind of busy lately.
I said later, okay? This has been going on for weeks now. I need to talk to Mark about this. Tyler needs to understand what he's missing.
Tyler barely looks up from that screen anymore.
I don't want to just take it away and cause a fight.
Maybe this weekend will remind him what matters.
I hope so. Grandpa Joe doesn't visit often.
मुझे क्या करना है मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है पर अब समझ में आ गया क्या करना है दिन भर बाहर घूमते रहते हैं रात में भी घर में पैर नहीं टिकता
There's my wonderful family!
Grandpa, I missed you so much. Welcome, Dad. We're so glad you're here.
Let me help you with that bag. Where's my grandson? I can't wait to see him.
He's upstairs. I'll go get him.
No rush, no rush.
Hey, Grandpa. Good to see you.
It's wonderful to see you too, Tyler.
I'll be right back. Just 1 second.
Of course. Take your time.
Just this one match, then I'll go back down. It won't take that long. Just one match.
Nice throw, Ivy. You've gotten so good at this.
Thanks, Grandpa. Your turn, Dad.
Watch out, here it comes.
Careful, don't break a window.
Just one more match, I promise, guys. I'll join them after this round.
Let me tell you about the summer your dad learned to fish.
Tell it, Grandpa. I love this story.
Oh no, not this one.
Tyler would love hearing this too. This is it! This is the final round! Don't mess this up now, come on! I won! I actually won the championship! Thanks, everyone! That was amazing! Wait, what time is it? It's already evening? I missed the whole day. Hey, everyone. Sorry, I lost track of time.
There he is. How was your game?
I won, actually.
That's wonderful, Tyler. I'm glad.
Look, this is from when we played catch.
And this is Grandpa telling his fishing story. It was so funny. I wish I had been there for that.
You were busy with your game, I guess.
Missed. Regret. Change. Missed. Regret. Change. I need all three right now.
I don't get to see you very often, Tyler. Today was special, and I missed having you there.
I'm really sorry, Grandpa.
I know you are. That means a lot to hear.
Tomorrow is Grandpa's last day here. I'm not going to miss it this time. Not for anything.
I really did miss playing with you today.
I missed playing with you too, Ivy.
You always say that, but then you don't come.
I know. I'm going to try to change that.
I really did miss playing with you today.
I missed playing with you too, Ivy. You always say that, but then you don't come.
I know.
I'm going to try to change that.
This is exactly like when I taught your dad to fish.
I really want to hear that whole story, Grandpa.
Well, get comfortable. It's a good one.
I'm listening. All of it, this time.
Can I fish too, please?
Of course. Come sit right here next to me.
Show me how to cast it.
Like this. Watch closely.
I caught one! I actually caught one! Keep reeling, you're doing great!
Look at that, a natural fisherwoman.
Best day ever!
This has been a wonderful visit, truly.
I'm really glad I got to spend today with you.
So am I, Tyler. So am I.
Come back soon, Grandpa. We'll go fishing again.
Let's set aside time each day just for our family.
I think that's a really good idea, Dad. Games can wait. We can't get today back. Can we play that board game tomorrow, Tyler? Absolutely. I promise. Balance.
Present.
Choose.
Balance. Present. Choose. That's what today taught us.
Hello, my favorite family.
Grandpa, I caught my own fish yesterday with Ivy.
That's wonderful news, Tyler.
We're already planning your next visit, Grandpa.